At a time when global energy prices are volatile and nations are racing to secure reliable energy sources, India may have struck gold, or rather gas, in its own backyard. Yes, you heard it right. A massive natural gas reserve has been discovered in the Andaman Basin, and it's being hailed as a milestone for India's energy independence. Union Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh Puri called it an ocean of energy opportunities, and for a good reason. So let's break down what this means and how this gas jackpot could reshape India's energy future. So what we know about the discovery so far. The gas reserve was found in the Sri Vijayapuram 2 well, which is around 17 km off the Andaman coast and at a depth of 295 meters. Initial tests showed 87% methane content with intermittent flaring. These gas samples were tested in Kakinada and confirmed the find. But why methane is a big deal? Well, first of all, methane is a cleaner alternative. It burns cleaner than coal and oil, and it can help India reduce air pollution and carbon emissions. Further, it is highly efficient and flexible, and it can be used in multiple sectors like in power generation, cooking, transport, and industries as well. Now, why this discovery matters for India? Well, 44% of India's natural gas needs are currently met through imports, mainly in LNG form. And global energy markets are unstable due to ongoing geopolitical tensions, especially the Russia-Ukraine war and the Middle East unrest. And therefore, at this time, having domestic reserves will mean lower dependency, greater stability, and economic resilience. Further, it has strategic value for India as well, because this will boost energy security as local production will reduce reliance on imports. It will also help stabilize domestic prices and global fluctuations. Further, it will also open doors for India to collaborate with global leaders like BP Shell, Petrobras, and ExxonMobil. So what's next? Well, the size and commercial viability of the reserve will be assessed in coming months, and if viable, this could be a turning point in India's long-term energy strategy. So, what are your thoughts? Do comment and let us know. Then keep watching India TV.